Hello everyone, welcome to the AutoCAD Beginner series. Is your line too short? Don't redraw it, just extend it. This line doesn't reach the other line. Many beginners try to draw it again, but there's a much easier way. Select all lines, type EX and press enter. Then simply click the line you want to extend. Done. AutoCAD automatically extends it to the nearest boundary. Let's try another one. See, it extends. As long as there is a boundary object, AutoCAD extends the line automatically. You can also start the extend commands from the Home tab. Go to Modify, then click Extend. It works the same way, but typing EX is much faster. I'm showing you some real examples. Imagine you are drawing a room and one wall is a little too short. Instead of drawing the wall again, just use the extend command to make it reach perfectly. I'm showing one more. See, it extends. EX is the shortcut for extend command. You will use it a lot, especially together with the trim command. So practice more. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we will learn how to join separate lines using the join command. Thanks for watching.